Please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon for more interesting updates on civil engineering concepts.
In this video, I will explain you complete details of 3BHK building plan which is placed in east direction. So here I am selecting my PDF. So this is my east facing house plan. Now I will explain you the complete details about this plan. So for this plan, it will be consisting of the entrance from the north facing direction. In the north facing direction, it will be consisting of 15 feet common passage, which is nothing but the road. So this is the east facing house plan. In the entrance section, it will be consisting of the parking area here like this, which is having the horizontal dimensions is 19 feet 8 inches and vertical distance is 23 feet 0 inches. Through this parking section, it will be consisting of the garden area, which is consisting of 15 feet 2 inches in horizontal direction and 14 feet 8 inches in vertical direction. So this is the main guest room, so which is placed in the east facing direction. So this is the main door. So through the main door section, we are entering into the guest room house. Okay. So this is the guest room dimensions. It will be consisting of 11 feet 0 inches in horizontal facing direction and 14 feet 0 inches in vertical facing direction. Through the guest room section, we are entering here into the hall section. So this is the hall section here. So this is the puja section, which is consisting of the horizontal dimensions is 4 feet 0 inches and vertical dimensions is 5 feet 0 inches. So this is the open kitchen area, which is consisting of the approximately the horizontal dimensions is 11 feet 3 inches and vertical dimensions is 9 feet 0 inches here. And this is the utility area. Generally, we will use it for washing purpose. So it will be consisting of the horizontal dimensions is 4 feet 0 inches and vertical dimensions is 9 feet 0 inches. So this is utility area. Now this is the dining area, which is consisting of the 14 feet 0 inches in horizontal dimensions and 10 feet 7 inches in vertical direction distance. Again, this is the hall, which is consisting of approximately the 15 feet 2 inches is the horizontal dimensions. Again, 23 feet 3 inches in vertical dimensions. Again, in the same process, it will be consisting of the third bedroom, which is having the dimensions is 13 feet 0 inches and in the horizontal direction. Again, it will be consisting of the 13 feet 8 inches in vertical direction. So this is the cupboard section, and which is attached with one wash section here, which is consisting of the horizontal dimensions is 7 feet 0 inches and vertical dimensions is 4 feet 0 inches. So this is the master bedroom, which is nothing but the bedroom number 1, which is consisting of the higher dimensions when you compare with another bedrooms, having the horizontal dimensions is 13 feet 0 inches and vertical dimensions is 16 feet 6 inches. So this is the door which is placed here. So again, it will be consisting of one attached washroom here, which is having the horizontal dimensions is 4 feet 0 inches and vertical dimensions is 7 feet 0 inches. And this is the secondary bedroom, which is nothing but the children's bedroom, which is having the horizontal dimensions is approximately 11 feet 0 inches in horizontal position, and it will be consisting of the vertical dimensions is approximately 16 feet 6 inches in vertical direction. So this is the 3BHK plan, which is in east facing direction. The staircases are provided in the east facing direction. So for this plan, it will be consisting of approximately 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 number of the columns will be exist here. And for this plan, it will be consisting of the doors, which is related to D1, which is a main door, and this is a D2, this is the third door, this is the fourth door, this is the fifth door, and this is the sixth door, and this is the seventh door, and this is the eighth door. So we have to keep in mind, we have to get even numbers of the doors. Okay. So again, it will be consisting of the secondary doors like washroom doors, which is having the lesser dimensions when you compare with another doors. And this is the less dimensions door, and this is the less dimensions door. Okay. Again, it will be consisting of the ventilations, which is related to washroom 1 ventilation, and this is the washroom 2 ventilation. Again, we can provide with some small ventilation here for the puja purpose. Okay. So again, it will be consisting of the windows as even numbers only. So window 1, first window here, and this is the second window, this is the third window, and this is the fourth window, this is the fifth window, and this is the sixth window, and this is the seventh window for the master bedroom, and this is the eighth window for the children bedroom. So it will be consisting of the even numbers of the windows also. So we have to keep in mind while before drawing any kind of the building structural plan, we have to get the even number of the columns as well as the even number of the windows as well as the even number of the doors. So this is the typical floor plan which is placed in east facing direction, consisting of the horizontal dimensions of the site is approximately 35 and vertical dimensions of this particular site is 80 feet approximately. So this is the typical floor plan related to east facing house plan. So now I will show you the center to center distance between the column for this particular floor plan. Now we can see this is the center to center distance between the column for the typical floor plan. It will be consisting of the 14 feet 0 inches in A to B direction column, and B to C it will be consisting of approximately 16 feet 0 inches. So totally it will be consisting of the 12 number of the columns, and in that it will be consisting of the 3 number of the grids which is exist in horizontal direction. Again in the vertical direction also it will be consisting of the 4 number of the grids. So this is the horizontal distance between the first column and second column in horizontal direction, and this is the 16 feet is the horizontal distance between the second column as well as the third column. Again in the same process it will be consisting of the 20 feet 8 inches in vertical direction for the first column and second column center to center distance. Again it will be consisting of 17 feet 8 inches in vertical direction for the second column as well as the vertical column third column in the vertical direction. In the same process it will be consisting of the 16 feet 5 inches in vertical direction center to center distance between the third column as well as the fourth column. So all the columns is consisting of approximately 9 inches cross 16 inches is the dimensions for the column sections, and beams are approximately 12 inches is the depth of the beam again we will consider, and 9 inches is the normal dimensions we have to consider for the width of the beam. So this is the complete details about the typical floor plan for the east facing house plan, which is consisting of the triple bedroom hall kitchen portion 3 BHK portion. So as per the considerations of the client, we are drawn this plan according to requirement given by the client. So this is a complete explanation regarding the 3 BHK house plan which is in east facing direction. So if you have any queries about this video, please try to text me your questions in the below comment box so that I will give you the answer for that question. So in my upcoming videos, I will explain you the complete details how to design this particular building structural model of this 3 BHK house plan by using StatPro software. At the same time, I will explain you how to design this particular structure in ETABS software also. Thank you.